Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nancy Casanova, and today I'm going to show you how to create swipeable images for your Instagram posts. So some of the questions I often get on my Instagram DMs is how I create swipeable images for Instagram posts. And it's actually quite easy. There are some apps that make it super convenient, super easy to just drag and drop some images in. And I'll show you some of my favorite ones today. So let's get started. One of my favorite apps that I like to use to create this effect is called Swipeable. And this app has a ton of templates that you can use. It has like the film elements. It has it tells you how many images you can put into a frame. So this one says like you could put 5 photos into one frame, and it makes it really easy for you to swipe through. If you have more than one image you want to upload and you're not sure what the best way to do that, you can get really creative with an app like this. I personally like a lot of the paper elements, so let's take a look at that one. You can like swipe over. This one, for example, has a 4:5 ratio, and you can also add in text. There's this one here, for example, called Essential Templates. So this one is pretty straightforward. You can see that you just continue to swipe images, left and right. So that one is called Swipeable. Cool. So the second app I wanted to show you today is called Scroll. This one is also very creative. It comes with a ton of template packs that you can choose from. And for example, say like the instant, if you're a fan of like the Polaroid effect, you can get that here. You can choose between images that appear in your feed and also images that appear in your stories. So I really like that part of this app. It's super convenient, and it gives you some dynamic options to choose from. There's also the paper elements, which I also am a big fan of. And then you can kind of scroll through and see how to make use of a template. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of like different sort of treatments to the images that come in the templates. And here's another example. This is sort of like the essential one. I like this one where you can kind of use it to scroll back and forth if, say, you have a portrait image that you think could fit within this template. It's really convenient. So yeah, that app is called Scroll. Cool. So last but not least, the other app I want to show you is called Swipeable. This one also does the same sort of effect with swipeable images, and it's pretty cool. It has some different options with panoramic views. And so say we're going to do an image of, I don't know, like Los Angeles. You can create it so it's swipeable like this. It's kind of cool, right? So that's it for me today. Those are the 3 apps that I recommend to help you create that swipeable effect on your Instagram posts. If you found this tutorial helpful, I would really appreciate it if you would comment below and let me know what you thought. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.